In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Microsoft Loop. Start by heading to the Microsoft Loop website and signing in with your work or personal account. Once you're in, open an existing workspace if you already have one, or create a new workspace to keep everything organized. Workspaces act like folders for projects, so picking the right one makes it easier to collaborate and find content later. Inside your workspace, create a new page. Think of this page as your canvas. You can add notes, lists, and components, and this is where Copilot will do most of its work alongside you. Before you proceed, a quick but important note about access. Copilot in Loop requires either a Microsoft 365 Copilot license for enterprise users or Copilot Pro for individuals. It isn't included with a standard Loop subscription. If you don't see Copilot options, that's usually the reason. It's also possible your IT administrator has disabled Copilot or that it hasn't rolled out to your region or tenant yet. If that's the case, check your organization's admin guidance or revisit later as availability expands. When you're ready to draft content, place your cursor on a blank line and type a /. This brings up Copilot so you can ask it to draft a project plan, brainstorm ideas, or even create a table. Be clear about your goal, the audience, and any constraints like format or length. The more context you give, the better the first draft will be. If you already have text on the page, select it and choose Rewrite with Copilot. You can adjust tone to be more formal or more friendly, shorten long paragraphs, expand brief notes, or ask for alternative phrasings. This is great for polishing announcements, refining tasks, or turning rough bullets into smooth prose. You can also use prompts to generate structured ideas for projects. Ask Copilot to list marketing strategies, outline project milestones, or suggest risks and mitigations. If the first pass isn't quite right, iterate by asking it to be more specific, more concise, or tailored to a particular audience. For structured data, ask Copilot to create a table and define the headers you want, like owner, due date, and status. You can refine the headers after it's generated, then fill in or have Copilot propose initial entries to get you started. If you keep meeting notes or transcripts on your page, use Copilot to generate summaries automatically. It can pull out decisions, action items, and key themes so you don't have to sift through everything. Finally, use the recap feature to summarize changes made to the page. You can filter by time ranges or specific contributors, which makes catching up fast and accurate. That's it. Now you're ready to use Copilot in Microsoft Loop to draft, refine, organize, and stay aligned.